Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter of part B, and the chapter is chapter 6, and its name is citizenship. So, beta, citizenship is very important for any country, for any person. Okay, citizenship implies full and equal membership of a political community. Many European countries have seen struggles, even violent struggles were done by the people of that country against monarchies because they wanted equal rights, they wanted equal citizenship in the country. For example, French Revolution and American Revolution. Here the people fought against the monarchy, against the colonial rulers to get equal membership of the country. They were exploited, they were not having equal rights, they were not having freedoms. So in this way the citizenship is very important for a person, for a human being, because it gives many political rights, civil rights, economic rights to the person. Okay, we can see it after Second World War, in the whole world, in especially in African and Asian countries, many many countries which were ruled by colonial power, their people started fighting against the colonial power because they wanted citizenship, they wanted equal rights, equal citizenship, equal freedom. For example, our India also, है ना, in our India also the people fought against the British rule because they wanted citizenship, they wanted equal rights, equal freedom. In the same way, in South Africa was ruled by white minority, so there also the black people fought against the apartheid system, which was a discriminatory system used by the white minority. So they fought, and because of their efforts they were able to get freedom from the white minority rule. And in whole world we can see violent struggles, violent revolutions happened because people wanted citizenship. So citizenship is very important. So today we are going to read about that citizenship only. Okay, so first of all we are going to read its meaning. Citizenship is a legal relationship that binds one individual to the state of which he is a member. Citizenship has been defined as full and equal membership of a political community. And in this contemporary world, this citizenship is very important for any person. Okay, so in citizenship, the you can see the person will be emotionally attached with the country if he is a citizen of the country. और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात है कि एज ए पर्सन विल बिकम citizen of any country, it will get many rights such as civil rights, जैसे freedom of speech, right to education. Okay, he will get economic rights also, like right to get minimum wages, right to get equal opportunities. Okay, political rights means he is having right to vote, right to criticize the government, right to stand in the elections. All these rights, when a person will be able to get all these rights, civil rights, political rights, economics right, when he is citizen of any country. I am citizen of India, so I have all these rights in India. Okay, but if I will go in America, I am not the citizen of that country, है ना, so I can't give vote there, I can't stand in election there. So in this way the citizenship is very important for an individual. Okay, and beta it is attaching the people also with the country. Okay, I am ready to do anything for my country. Why? Because I am citizen of this country. Okay, so I can even sacrifice my life for the country because I am the citizen of the country. So beta, in some countries dual citizenship can be adopted, and in some countries there is only single citizenship. Okay, can you tell me which type of citizenship is present in India? Single citizenship. Yes beta, in India single citizenship is given. वैसे India is a federal country है ना, there are states also and the power is given to the states also. But have you heard कि I am the citizen of Haryana, I am the citizen of Punjab? Have you heard this line? No, है ना. Always we are speaking we are citizen of India, because in India single citizenship rule is followed, which is written in part 3 of our constitution. Okay, and many countries are following dual citizenship, like आपका Latin America, okay, Italy और Swiss nations जो हैं, और America, here also dual citizenship rule is adopted कि one तो person is the citizen of that state in which he or she is living, and secondly he is the citizen of the country. Okay, so but in India single citizenship is followed. Why what is the reason behind it? We can also give, our constitution makers can also give the right to have dual citizenship, but the main reason is that India is a country of diversity, है ना. Communalism can create problem for democratic country like India, है ना, where so many caste, religion, है ना, languages are spoken by the people. So for this purpose only our constitution makers wanted our country single country, united country, है ना. So that's why they have accepted the rule of only single citizenship, not the double citizenship. Okay, so this was the meaning of citizenship beta. So a citizen is having so many political rights, economic rights and civil rights. Okay, और बेटा मेन थिंग है कि ए पर्सन कैन एन्जॉय ऑल दीज थिंग्स व्हेन ही इज़ मेंबर ऑफ ए सोसाइटी, मेंबर ऑफ ए कंट्री. ओके, नाउ टुडेज नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज कि हाउ सिटीजनशिप कैन बी एक्वायर्ड एंड हाउ इट कैन बी लॉस्ट. देर आर मैनी वेज टू acquire the citizenship, okay, in the world. Okay, first is long residence. Okay, the person, if a person will live for a long period of time in a country, then he will or she will get the citizenship of that country, and duration of residence in the country is different in different countries. Okay, like in USA it's 5 years, in UK also 5 years, in India 12 years. If a person is living continuously for this much time period, है ना, which is decided by the government constitution, then he will get the citizenship of that nation. Okay, so this is the first way to get the citizenship of any country. Second way is marriage. कि suppose one woman got married with a German man, then that woman will get the citizenship of Germany. Otherwise it's very difficult to get the citizenship of Germany, but with the help of marriage the citizenship of Germany can be adopted, can be acquired. Okay beta, then next is adoption, है ना, कि suppose कि if a couple is adopting any child. Okay, so in German also if this rule is followed, if a German couple is adopting any English child, then that child automatically will become the resident, will become the citizen of Germany. Okay, so yani by adoption also the citizenship can be acquired. Okay beta, so मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया कि जर्मन कपल, इफ़ ए जर्मन कपल इज़ अडॉप्टिंग ए इंग्लिश चाइल्ड, देन इंग्लिश चाइल्ड विल बिकम ए German citizen. Okay, then next is government service. If a person has got any government job in any other country, so in some countries this rule is followed, so the person will become the citizen of that country as he or she will join that government job in that country. Okay, then how citizenship can be lost? Long absence. First of all, long absence. If a citizen is not living in his or her country for a long period of time, ठीक है, this duration is also different in different countries, then also he will lost his citizenship. For example beta, in France and Germany, the citizen who is absent themselves from their state for more than 10 years may lose their citizenship. Okay, then next is marriage. में बेटा in many states woman marrying a foreigner loses her citizenship of that country and will acquire the citizenship of her husband's country. अभी जर्मनी का मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया. Okay, then next is crime. कि if any citizen is committing a serious crime in the country, then the judge can give decision to snatch his citizenship. Okay, so in this way also the citizenship can be snatched, can be lost. Okay, then next is government service in other स्टेट कि सम स्टेट्स डिप्राइव्स देयर सिटीजनशिप of the citizens if they accept government job in other state, okay, in other country. तो मतलब कि क्या होगा, जिस कंट्री से वो जा रहा है उस कंट्री की सिटीजनशिप तो उससे स्नैच हो जाएगी, और जिस कंट्री में जा रहा है जॉब करने के लिए उस कंट्री की सिटीजनशिप उसको मिल जाएगी. सो ऑल दीज आर द वेज टू acquire and to lose the citizenship of any country. Goodbye.